Hello, hello! In this legacy video, we'll walk around our new Maverick 4x8 CNC router and show you how this versatile 3-station CNC router can make your business more profitable, efficient, and increase your capabilities. In 2015, Legacy started manufacturing the Maverick CNC. This CNC has a 3-foot by 5-foot work area and features a joinery system, a spindle production center, and a traditional 3-axis CNC router. We manufacture the Maverick right here in Springville, Utah, in the heart of the USA. The Maverick 3x5 has been our most popular CNC system to date. However, many of our customers have requested a larger work area, so we came up with a platform that combines 4x8 sheet processing with 3-station versatility. This new CNC system delivers the best value for your CNC investment. This is the Maverick 4x8 multi-station CNC router system. The first and most obvious feature of the machine is the CNC Controller. Because the system is completely computer controlled, you, the operator, can walk away from the Maverick while it completes the job you've given it. At Legacy, we call this the work multiplier factor. This means you have the ability to work on one job while the Maverick works on a different job. Incidentally, the Maverick 4x8 will work for you for $2.68 per hour, but more on that later. The next feature is the 3-station platform that combines a 3-axis router, a spindle production center, and a joinery system, all in one compact package. The Maverick can produce finials, bun feet, bed posts, index or multi-sided spindles, columns, complex joinery, 3D carvings, appliques, corbels, signs, illuminated signs, lithophanes, chip carvings, inlay, marquetry, furniture components, custom moldings, cabinetry, and of course, processed 4x8 sheet goods. This is like having a woodworking Superman on your payroll for less than half of minimum wage. The Maverick 4x8 is a small shop owner's dream. The first station in the 3-station platform is the 3-axis router. This work area can expand from a 36-inch wide table to a 49-inch wide table that extends over the turning center. This has made it possible for a small machine footprint, while being large enough for 4x8 sheet processing. Each 3-axis table can be used with multiple fixture options, from T-track tables for clamping a variety of blank sizes, to a vacuum table for sheet processing. The second station is the Spindle Production Center, or 4th axis. Legacy has pioneered unique production techniques that produce complex spindles 12 times faster than other CNC systems. Using these techniques in combination with the spindle production system, you can stop outsourcing turned components, start creating new products, and expand into new markets. An important feature of the spindle production system that is exclusive to Legacy is the articulated 4th axis. This feature tilts the 4th axis indexing center on an angle so that the cutter profiles can travel parallel to the tapered plane. The 4th axis is also an indexer and allows you to produce multi-sided spindles, such as this 4-sided spindle, or this 8-sided spindle, this fluted spindle, this rope twist spindle, and even this reeded and carved spindle. And of course, you can make a classic turn spindle as well. But did you also notice that while the spindles are in your Maverick CNC, you can add mortise and tenon or even sliding dovetail joinery? This is a good time to point out the features of Legacy's exclusive conversational CAM spindle programming software. This is the only software that creates router bit-based toolpaths, rather than using a rastered carving technique. It's this software that allows Legacy owners to complete spindles up to 12 times faster. To learn more about this powerful software package, click up here to see the video Why Turn with CCAM. The third station in the 3-station platform is the compound angle joinery system. With it, you can produce complex joinery for boxes, furniture, cabinetry, and spindles. Parts can be mounted in this vertical fixture to work on the ends or along the edges. Additionally, adjustable fences on the YZ plane can be used for angle joints. The entire fixture plate can also tilt or adjust on the XZ plane to produce true compound angle joinery. Keep an eye out for future videos where we'll use this feature. Next, Each Maverick has a powerful 3 horsepower liquid-cooled spindle. Liquid-cooled spindles allow for nearly unlimited runtimes and can produce faster cuts than typical routers. But everyone's favorite benefit is how quiet the spindle is while in operation. The liquid-cooled spindle has an ER20 collet system that allows you to use cutting tools that range from 1mm to 9/16 inch shank diameters. The next feature is another legacy customer favorite, the Smart Tool Touchpad. It is an operator's best friend during any tool setup routine. The Smart Tool can automate tool touch-off sequences for both flat and turn components. But instead of limiting the operator to a single tool touch per program like other tool touch-offs, Legacy's Smart Tool can measure unlimited tools during a program. This feature can be used in either manual tool change or auto tool change systems and allows the operator to automate individual tool setups or multiple tool setups for use in your tool library. For all wood shops, a major concern is dust control. The Maverick 4x8 CNC has a dust control manifold with a 4-inch port. Naturally, a dust collection system helps keep your shop clean, makes for easier maintenance, and prolongs the life of your machine. It also creates a healthier and safer work environment. A new feature in the Maverick product line is the optional mobility kit. The kit includes a lift lever and drop and lock casters with quick change locking pins. This makes quick work of converting from stationary leveling pads to mobile casters. The mobility kit makes the machine easier to transport and is a great option for any small shop that needs to maximize shop space. If you're considering a CNC purchase, you'll want to make sure you're taken care of before, during, and after the sale. Legacy has implemented some programs and services to help you comfortably make the transition to CNC woodworking. Before you buy, we invite you to come to Legacy's facility to enjoy a hands-on experience with the Maverick multi-station CNC router. If you're unable to travel to Utah, you can find a list of Legacy customers on our website that are happy to answer your questions and share their experiences. Click the link above to view the map of our associate locations. When you're ready, Legacy offers several purchasing options. We work with many leasing companies, and a lease purchase is a great way to manage your cash flow, and it has advantages at tax time. With good credit, you can receive an interest rate as low as 5.5%. Legacy includes with every CNC purchase a full training and support package. You will receive 2 days of safety and operations training at our manufacturing facility located in Springville, Utah. You will also have access to our bi-weekly training webinars that cover CAD/CAM design and programming software. These webinars include live question and answer sessions and are recorded and archived for future reference. You will have access to these recorded training sessions for 2 weeks from post date before they are moved into our training archive. Unlimited access to this training archive is available for $200 per year. Every new Legacy CNC comes with a 1-year warranty that is activated once you have received your safety and operations training. Refer to Legacy's website for warranty details by clicking here. Your warranty also includes 12 months of technical support. If any mechanical or electrical problems arise, our tech team can troubleshoot the problem. To protect your CNC investment, Legacy offers a trade-up program. If your manufacturing requirements outgrow your Maverick 4x8 during the first 12 months, you can trade up to a Legacy Gemini CNC, and you will receive a 90% trade-in credit. Next, let's talk about the real cost of owning a Maverick 4x8. I'll show examples of 4 scenarios that are split into 2 groups: a third-party financing purchase and a direct cash purchase. On the financing side, we took the listing price of $26,995 and broke down the monthly and hourly cost for interest rates between 5 and 18%. Notice the hourly cost is about a $1 difference between the 5 and 18% interest rates. For a cash purchase, we took the same $26,995 and broke down the hourly cost for a 5 and 10-year amortization period. As you can see, in all these scenarios, the machine will cost you less than a minimum wage employee. Last, let's go over the Maverick 4x8 specs. The footprint is 120 inches long, 70 inches wide, and 76 inches tall. The shipping weight is 2,350 pounds. The machine work envelope is 105 inches for the x-axis, 49.5 inches for the y-axis, and 11 inches for the z-axis. The turning center can handle up to 94.5 inches by a 10-inch diameter spindle. The work envelope for the joinery table is 20 inches by 7.25 inches by 42 inches. The drive systems includes a rack and pinion for the XY axes, a trapezoidal screw and ceramic nut on the Z-axis, and the A-axis is belt-driven. The B-axis is manually adjusted from 0 to 2.1 degrees. Travel speeds are 600 inches per minute for the XY axes and 200 inches per minute for the Z-axis. For a complete list of specifications, visit our website by clicking here. To learn more about or to purchase the Maverick 4x8 CNC router package, please call 801-491-0010. We invite you to join the Legacy CNC Woodworking community. As a member of the community, you'll receive email updates on new videos, special offers, learn about new products, gain access to weekly training classes, and learn about local hands-on CNC workshops. You can sign up on our website or click right over here. To receive upcoming Legacy video notifications, click the subscribe button below. To see the Gemini 5x10 multi-station CNC walk-around video, click down there. Press the like button if you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.